Hey guys, Takeshia here. Today I'm going to post a average of 5, which is fairly okay. It's about 16, 17 average of 5. And I just wanted to post this for a bit of an update because I haven't posted in a while. And as you can see, I have the Gans Air Moyu Magnetic Pyraminx, Chi Wushuang 5x5 and Shengxiao Big Legends in the corner. And I may have time to get around to making a review of them, so stay tuned for later updates.
Give us some more.